What is up, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Michael of Boulder, Colorado. My family had insurance company for over 20 years. We made a claim for siding because of a hailstorm. The insurance company approved the claim but dropped our insurance. According to the company, we are high risk because of a theft claim in 2007 and another claim in 2009. Why didn't you tell us that if we make a claim, we could be dropped? Or don't approve the hail damage to the house? I'm so pissed off because why did we get insurance if you don't let people use it? To top it off, we never got a letter, a phone call, or email stating that we were going to be dropped. So we've been without insurance since July. Really? Thanks for nothing. So there's a lot of different myths around this. Technically, the insurance company, if it's not your fault, and there's more details that come into this, so I'm just going to give you the high level overview without a bunch of details. So forgive me if it's not 100% accurate, but in the overview, it's pretty accurate. But this is how it usually works, is if something happens to your property that isn't your fault or is an act of nature or God, then usually the insurance company can't drop you just because of that. It's not your fault that it hailed on your house, right? Did you control the weather? Probably not, right? So the other thing is, like, if it's a wildfire, right? But insurance companies play a game, and their number one job is to mitigate risk. So when they say you're high risk, they mean that you're probably going to cost them more money. High risk equals more money out of their pocket. That's all it really means, okay? Think about that for a second. High risk to the insurance company means more money out of their pocket. Okay, well then why did you insure me? Why did you insure the situation? Why did you insure the property? Whatever insurance that you have to start questioning, like, well, okay, if you're gonna drop me, that's fine, because guess what? There are hundreds of other insurance companies that want your business, that will look at your situation and give you more than likely a very fair price for the premium or the policy that you need and the coverage that you need out of that policy, okay? But this is the deal. When insurance companies don't drop you, they'll usually rate ride you, meaning your insurance goes from $2,000 a year to $2,400 a year. Doesn't sound like a lot, but that's a 20% increase. Okay, and then maybe after that it goes to $3,600 a year. So they're playing the game of, hey, we're not going to drop you because you've had 4 hail claims in the last 5 years, but what we are going to do is we're going to increase the price until it's no longer affordable for you, and then you'll drop us because it's too expensive, which is okay. Again, it is okay if you have the coverage that you need with another insurance company at a similar or better price for a similar or better policy. Then you're okay, then you're fine. That's the thing, is don't be scared to use your insurance. That's part of the game that they try to play, is freak you out and scare you. Like, hey, if you make another claim, we could probably drop you. Fine, who cares? I'll find an insurance company that actually wants my money and that will cover me for what I need and the policy coverage that I want. Trust me, you'll be able to find somebody else. And getting away from that insurance company that is treating you like crap is probably a good move. So, if you are in a situation where your insurance company is not fairly paying your claim, or is diminishing or underpaying your claim, or denying your claim completely, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Let us see what we can do to help you out.